Hello, welcome back to the channel. For those that are new to the channel, my name's Dave. Welcome. Please consider subscribing. Today we're in Project C1. Bit of a little job today. I am replacing the gear knob. I got this on eBay for like £8, I think. It matches the whole black and red thing, so I thought, why not? While I'm at it, I'm going to resolve the sloppy gear stick that every C1 107 and Aygo suffers with, but I'm going to do it the way that Tim did it. Video up in the corner here and down in the description. It's basically a bodge, it's just a screw that I'm wedging in somewhere. So yeah, let's get on with it. Okay, so in order to replace the actual gear knob itself with the new one, I mean, as you can see, that's going to look quite cool. It should just be a case of undo this. Lefty loosey righty tighty, and this thread that it's attached to on the actual shaft itself is M12 by 1.5mm. So there we go. It's actually quite a weighty piece, that. As you can see, it's got lots of makeup stains and stuff on it from my niece, the previous owner, and it should be a case of screw that on. However, that doesn't really fit. So what we've got here is a number of different like collars that would fit on. So let's get these open. Let's have a look, see which ones we've got. So they're like a rubbery type stuff, and I'm guessing that doesn't fit. That one doesn't fit. So, by process of elimination, it's got to be that one. So there's an Allen key and some grub screws. Now, I would hazard a guess as to say they screw into this bit. So if we take this collar off, there we go, grub screw holes. So, if we, first of all, push that on as far as it will go. There we go. So that's on nice and tight. We'll pull this up here because, you know, make it look better. And then we put that over first. I would say, if we put that, when you drop the tool, we put that on there as tight as it'll go, like that. And then we stick those grub screws in. If I can find that Allen key again. There it is. So we grab these grub screws, stick the Allen key in the end of it, we'll screw them in, and that should grip nice and tightly. Okay, so that's them done up nice and tightly now, so we're going to screw this collar on. That doesn't seem to be catching. How odd. There we go. Pull that up. Now we have a better gear stick, one that looks far better and suits the car. Happy with that. So now it's time to sort this sloppiness out. Right, well, in order to get this off, it literally is just a case of pull it very gently so you don't snap any of the clips. I hate doing this because I am a bit ham-fisted and I do have a tendency of snapping clips and such. So, got a trim removal tool. See if I can do anything better with that. It would appear not. There we go. And that's a clip snapped. Fantastic. So, to that end, I think what I'm going to do is take the whole console out. Right, so in order to get the console out, it's a simple case of 12mm socket, just under that little piece of carpet there if you've still got it, and undo it. And then if you've got fat fingers like me, you can't get at it. There it is, that's one. And that should lift up then. And then there's just a load of clips up that end. However, that does now mean taking that off again, gleaming. So, after going completely arse about face, we've taken the gear stick knob off again, and just left us with what's left here that you can see. Taking the console out because I'm snapping clips left, right and centre, and that's no bueno. So, now that we're here, let's have a look at why the gear stick is sloppy. We can see already there's a couple of broken bits and pieces here, so I think someone's had a go at this in the past. So what I'm going to do is just grab a screw, and I'm going to pop that in one of these gaps here. Now, it's nothing special. This is literally just a screw to make a bit of a bodge. Screw that in. It's already taken up some of the slack. Not a lot, but some. Grab another one. Screw that in there. A little better. Let's see if we can tighten that up a little bit, eh? Getting there. I think I need to go and get another screw. I've also got myself a better screwdriver. I'll keep screwing that in until you hear like a cracking sound or something. And then that's when you stop. Got another few screws. Oh, knocking the camera, sorry about that. Deployed the tang tools for this one because it's better. There we go, I can see I can feel that stopping now, so that's alright. I am, however, having to put quite a few screws in here that is concerning me a little bit. I didn't expect to put this many in, to be honest with you. Almost there. One up in the corner here. That should be us then, I think. I mean, I don't want to go too far and not be able to actually, you know, operate the gears. But that feels far more crisper than I would expect. Oh yeah, that's way better. So let's reassemble all this and put the gear knob on again, and we'll take it for a drive and see what happens. Right, so that's in. we've got the centre console back in and all that sort of good stuff. The gear stick's back on, and there is very, very little play in it indeed. Yeah, happy with that. Let's go take it for a drive and see what happens. So as you can see, that looks way better, even if I did go completely arse about face and brake stuff. I should have sorted the sloppiness out first. My bad, never mind. If you're doing this yourself, make sure you sort your sloppiness out first. Don't break the clips on the gearstick gator, because I'm an idiot. Don't be an idiot yourself. Learn from my mistakes. But it does look so much better in here now. The interior matches. We've got the red trim that I painted in a different video. Links in the description. We've got the new gear stick on. We've got the new radio. All that sort of good stuff. It's all coming together now. It's beginning to look good on the inside. Other than just a couple of little bits that I'm going to do in here. Which will be, I don't know, another 3-4 videos, something like that. We're pretty much done on the interior. Then I'll start on the exterior. Yeah, so brilliant. I enjoyed that. It looks far better than this thing anyway. This actually weighs a ton, but you don't actually realise how much they weigh, but whatever. But yeah, if you like that, then do me a favour, thumbs up. Like the video, share, comment, subscribe, all that sort of good stuff. Links to the rest of the series is going to be here. And if you do want to see what's going on with C1 next, then make sure you ring that bell. You get notified when the next video drops. And I'll see you in that next video.